Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to backup or restore all computer drivers in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You can backup and restore all Windows drivers using built-in tools like DISM, PowerShell, or PnPUtil. The safest method is to export them before reinstalling Windows, then re-import them afterward. Here's a clear step-by-step guide to help you backup and restore your drivers. Create backup folder. You need a destination folder to store exported drivers. Open File Explorer. Create a new folder, for example, D Drivers Backup, to store backups. Ensure you have enough free space. You might want to store exported drivers on a USB drive. Open Windows Terminal, Admin, Command Prompt, Admin, or PowerShell, Admin. Backup using DISM. Recommended. DISM exports all third-party drivers from the current installation. Windows Terminal, Admin, Command Prompt, Admin, or PowerShell, Admin, type. Press Enter. Wait until all drivers are exported. Drivers will be saved in the Drivers Backup folder. Change Drivers Backup folder path as needed. Backup using PowerShell. Alternative method using PowerShell. Windows Terminal, Admin, or PowerShell, Admin, type. Press Enter. Wait until all drivers are exported. Drivers will be saved in the Drivers Backup folder. Change Drivers Backup folder path as needed. Backup using PnPUtil. PnPUtil can export specific or all drivers. Windows Terminal, Admin, Command Prompt, Admin, or PowerShell, Admin, to export all drivers, type. Wait until all drivers are exported. Drivers will be saved in the Drivers Backup folder. Change Drivers Backup folder path as needed. To export a specific driver, first run note the driver number, then export with replace number sign with your driver's actual number. Wait until the driver is exported. Driver will be saved in the Drivers Backup folder. Change Drivers Backup folder path as needed. Restore drivers via Device Manager. You can restore drivers manually after reinstalling Windows. Right-click the Start icon. Open Device Manager. Click Action in the top menu bar. Then select Add Drivers. Browse and point to your backup folder. Make sure Include Subfolders is checked. Windows reinstalls all the drivers, then restart your computer. Or restore a specific driver. Right-click the device. Usually has a yellow triangle with exclamation mark. Then select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Browse and point to your backup folder. Make sure Include Subfolders is checked. Windows reinstalls the driver. Then restart your computer. Restore using PnPUtil. PnPUtil can re-import drivers in bulk. Windows Terminal, Admin, Command Prompt, Admin, or PowerShell, Admin, type. Press Enter. All drivers from the backup folder will be restored. Change Drivers Backup folder path as needed, then restart your computer. To restore a specific driver, type. Change Drivers Backup folder path as needed. Change path to folder as needed, then restart your computer. Note: store drivers on an external drive or USB drive to avoid losing them during a clean Windows install. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.